Hello kiddos! Today we are going to learn about color names. Are you ready? Let's start. Red. Red apple, red rose, red strawberry, red firetruck. Yellow. Yellow mango, yellow sun, yellow banana, yellow ducks. Pink. Pink flamingo, pink pig, pink lotus, pink cupcake. Black. Black cat, black hair, black spider, black coal. Blue. Blue dolphin, blue blueberry, blue jeans, blue umbrella. White. White rabbit, white teeth, white snowman, white swan. Orange. Orange basketball, orange goldfish, orange pumpkin, orange carrot. Green. Green bush, green parrot, green cucumber, green tree. Brown. Brown chocolate, brown bear, brown cookie, brown log. Grey. Grey shark, grey elephant, grey mouse, grey key. Purple. Purple eggplant, purple orchid, purple yarn, purple t-shirt. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a learning moment.